Good morning. This is Reverend Dr. William Jackson. I've had experience with PITS folks because my flash drive I had, my other computer, kind of got bent. I put my computer on a chair, living room, and somehow fell to the floor and bent my flash drive. I've never had that experience in the 20 to 30 years I've actually worked with computers before, and many flash drives from very small vicinity to large. This particular flash drive was 32 gigabytes, and it was a 3.0 as far as power receptivity and quality of material and all that. Anyway, I put in a search how to fit to fix stuff like the PITS came up. We're really neat people, very professional, and I let them know I was not an expert in this kind of stuff, but I knew I had two novels on there. I had my entire nonprofit business, everything. It behooved me to somehow find some way to salvage it. I don't know how they will ever do that because it seemed kind of strange when you bend that USB port. How can you possibly put it back in shape or anything like that? So the thing is, anyway, I found out about PITS and I sent an inquiry. We talked to somebody, paid my initial amount of money to get the study going. Then we made arrangements for the remaining payments. But the thing is, they did a nice job. I saw the file that they able to, get out of my the bent flash drive thing, and of course included my business, my nonprofit, Scripture and Science Incorporated, as well as within that context, my two novels. I have a novel dealing with 9th century England and chivalry, another novel dealing with space flight in the future and the alternative Earth thing. Anyway, both novels will help support my nonprofit with some actual publishing, which I've been working on now. The first one through Archway Publishing and all that. But again, PITS people really helped me get going. I am so appreciative. I don't know what really more to say other than that. They really did good. I am just so blessed by God's grace that you have such an organization out there that can do things like that. And I encourage anyone who's interested in having their particular project, give PITS people a shot. Give the PITS people a shot and let them help you out. And I'm very grateful for their experiences. God bless. Have a good day.